I would say that is to recharge myself. There is a lot of things going on, and the Netherlands and Amsterdam is the ideal place to gather up with all the experts and the people really involved in all mobility, new trends. And obviously it takes the time to do some networking and share experiences on how to move forward in our own initiatives back in South America. Well, it's quite interesting times in South America. You see early adopters, especially big multinational companies, that they're starting to introduce electric vehicles within their fleet. Obviously, from one side, image is very important to see themselves as innovative companies, but on the other side, they're willing to start understanding these new trends and see firsthand all the benefits and all the challenges that this new technology brings into their companies. We would like to lead the pack. We would like to be seen and position ourselves as leaders, experts, and pioneers of this matter. That's why what we're doing is building up a whole ecosystem with different initiatives, having electric fleets running, especially in the urban areas, in logistics side, in the passenger transport, in the public transport as well. And overall, the infrastructure, is something that goes everywhere. So this is something that we're really tackling and putting a lot of efforts to be, leaders in building up the infrastructure, not only in Chile, but in the rest of South America. We would like to be the hub for all ENGIE new mobility initiatives in the region.